To determine if you have a narrow or regular PTB arm, insert a penny into the end of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a regular PTB arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow PTB arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X Longitude wiper blade on a narrow PTB arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter from the wiper blade. Grab the end, rotate up, and pull away. Locate the packaged adapter labeled B and the connector labeled M. Align the B adapter so that the arrow is pointed in the same direction as the arrow on the M connector. Place the B adapter on top of the M connector and press down until it clicks into place. Next, align the assembled B adapter so that the arrow on the top is pointing in the same direction as the arrow on the base. Insert the front of the assembled B adapter into the slot in the base. The adapter should catch. Press firmly until it locks into place with a click. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Tilt the adapter forward and hold down. Slide into the opening of the wiper arm until you hear a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Longitude.